Searching for the best dual occupancy builders in Melbourne? Whether you're a homeowner aiming to maximise your land's potential or an investor seeking high returns, choosing the right builder is critical. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about dual occupancy projects, why they're a smart investment, the key benefits, and how to choose the best builders to make your project a success. Plus, I'll introduce you to ReadyBuild Dual, our ready-to-go dual occupancy solution that offers the best value, price, service, and quality in the market. Dual occupancy projects are a fantastic way to increase the value of your property, but the success of your project heavily depends on the builders you choose. The right dual occupancy builder will have the expertise to navigate complex council regulations, optimise land use, and deliver a high quality finish that meets your specific needs. But how do you find the right builder and what should you look for? ReadyBuild Dual is your ready-to-go solution for dual occupancy projects, combining the best value, unbeaten prices, elite service, and superior quality. We're here to ensure your project doesn't just meet expectations, it surpasses them. In Melbourne, the market for dual occupancy builders is both crowded and diverse, ranging from large volume builders to smaller independent operators. ReadyBuild Dual stands out by offering the best combination of value, price, service, and quality, ensuring that your project not only meets but exceeds expectations. Imagine a streamlined process where your dual occupancy project is handled by experts from start to finish, ensuring compliance with local regulations and delivering a stunning result on time and within budget. The right builder makes all the difference, and we'll explore how to make that choice shortly. But first, let's dive into why dual occupancy projects are becoming so popular in Melbourne. Dual occupancy projects involve building two separate dwellings on a single block of land. This can mean constructing two new homes or retaining an existing house and adding another dwelling. The benefits are clear: increased rental income, higher resale value, and better land utilisation. However, these projects are complex, requiring careful planning and expert execution, which is why choosing experienced dual occupancy builders is essential. Dual occupancy projects are particularly popular in Melbourne due to the city's rising property prices and growing demand for efficient land use. As a dual occupancy builder, understanding local zoning laws and council regulations is key to ensuring the project is not only compliant, but also optimises the available space. This is why a specialised service like ReadyBuild Dual can significantly simplify the process while offering the best value and quality in the market. At Little Fish, we understand that dual occupancy projects can be daunting, which is why we've developed ReadyBuild Dual, our all-in-one solution designed to simplify the process. With ReadyBuild Dual, you get a ready-to-go package that includes everything from design to construction, managed by Melbourne's top dual occupancy builders. It's the best value in the market, combining quality, efficiency, and exceptional service to deliver outstanding results. Our ReadyBuild Dual solution is tailored to meet the specific needs of Melbourne's diverse property market. Whether you're developing in a bustling urban area or a quieter suburban neighbourhood, our experienced dual occupancy builders ensure that each project is customised to the unique characteristics of your site. We pride ourselves on offering the best price, service, and quality in the industry, making ReadyBuild Dual the clear choice for your project. Selecting the right builder is critical to the success of your dual occupancy projects. Here's what to look for: experience with dual occupancy. Not all builders are created equal. You need a builder with specific experience in dual occupancy projects who understands the unique challenges and opportunities these projects present. Knowledge of local regulations. Melbourne zoning laws and council regulations can be complex. Your builder must be well versed in local requirements to ensure that your project is compliant and proceeds without unnecessary delays. Quality workmanship. The quality of the construction will directly impact the value of your property. Look for builders with a proven track record of delivering high quality, durable homes. Transparent pricing. dual occupancy projects can be costly, so it's important to choose a builder who offers transparent, competitive pricing without the hidden fees. ReadyBuild Dual ticks all of these boxes. Our team comprises of seasoned dual occupancy builders who bring their expertise to every project, ensuring that your dual occupancy development is executed flawlessly. Additionally, our transparent pricing model means you'll know exactly what to expect with no surprises along the way. This commitment to transparency and excellence is why we're known for offering the best value and quality in the market. Working with experienced dual occupancy builders like those at ReadyBuild Dual ensures that potential issues are identified and addressed early, keeping your project on track and within budget. Our project management service further mitigates these risks by overseeing every aspect of the build, from planning to completion, ensuring a seamless experience. This attention to detail is part of what makes ReadyBuild Dual the best value choice for your dual occupancy project. For those looking for a more customized solution or higher end finishes, we also offer a custom build option. Our custom builds are perfect for those who want something truly unique, tailored specifically to their vision and requirements. These projects are managed with the same level of expertise and attention to detail that we bring to all our dual occupancy projects. Our project management service is ideal for clients who want to oversee the process but prefer to leave the day-to-day management to experts. This service ensures that every phase of the project is meticulously managed, reducing delays, controlling costs, and delivering a high-quality result. Additionally, if you're still in the market for the perfect site, our buyer's agent service can help you secure the ideal block for your dual occupancy project, giving you a competitive edge in Melbourne's fast-moving property market. With all these services, we maintain our commitment to delivering the best quality and value in the market. In summary, dual occupancy projects are a powerful way to unlock your property's potential, but the key to success lies in choosing the right builder. With ReadyBuild Dual, you're partnering with the best in the industry, seasoned dual occupancy builders who deliver unmatched quality, value, and service. Ready to get started? Book your free consultation today and discover why ReadyBuild Dual is the best choice for your dual occupancy project in Melbourne. Whether you're looking for a streamlined, ready-to-go solution with ReadyBuild Dual, or you're interested in a custom build that reflects your unique vision, Little Fish has the expertise and resources to make your project a success. And if you don't have a site yet, don't worry. We've got you covered with our expert buyer's agent services. We'll support you every step of the way, from finding the perfect site to handing over the keys of your new home. Our commitment to best price, service and quality makes ReadyBuild Dual the leader in dual occupancy projects. Ready to maximize your property's potential with the best dual occupancy builders in Melbourne? Choose ReadyBuild Dual, where unbeatable value, the best prices, exceptional service and premium quality come together. Don't settle for less. Book your free consultation today and discover how our unmatched expertise and dedication can turn your dual occupancy project into a high-value success story. Until then, happy developing.